Alright you guys, welcome back to my channel. We're just gonna hop right into the video. So this is my hair freshly washed. You guys see my curl pattern. I'm trying not to cut all my hair off, so I'm trying to do some natural hairstyles and some protective hairstyles. But today's video is sponsored by Wig Encounters. I have worked with them before. Just go through my videos if y'all are interested in seeing my reviews on their other hair products. But this is everything that I got. I got the wig. I also got a free headband, a free headscarf, and I believe, yeah, I got some wig caps as well. So I'm gonna play some dancehall for y'all, because I know y'all don't want to hear me talk, but I really do love this wig. It's a versatile wig. It's one wig, but you can wear so many different styles. You can wear it as a headband wig. You can wear it as a high ponytail, low ponytail, a bang. You can wear it as a full wig. Like you can do a lot with this wig, but you just have to be creative, okay, sis? So don't forget to leave a comment, y'all. I'm just gonna let music play and hopefully you guys enjoy, okay? So I love you guys and I will see y'all in my next video. And I will leave all the products that I used on my hair down below in the description bar if you guys are interested. And I will also have a coupon code for this wig down below, okay? So thank you so much to Wig Encounters for sponsoring this video, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Everybody like your picture. I wanna meet you so much it hurts. Baby, you're so popular. Girl, I go eat you, but man, I feel love. Everybody like your picture. I wanna meet you so much it hurts.
When the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road. Oh, maybe gonna start, pull up in a fast car, yeah. And a fast start, make you want the fast part, yeah. I know you're feeling me. You know I'm feeling you. So what now we feel do, yeah. Hey, fancy. Oh, your heart state, now no vacancy. Last time, see you on FaceTime, chatting up the place, bout in our relationship. Me, I go put you on lockdown. I put your body on lockdown. You got me on lock now. You got my passion on lock. Oh, if you love me, you should let me. You should let me. You should let me know. And if you don't know, better feel let me. Better feel let me. I better you let me go. Pulling up, pulling up, pulling up. Nobody deal with the bag and talking. Me nothing know we are chilling in an apartment. Hope you don't mind me asking, where will we go? When the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road.
Get ready, get iron.
Oh, maybe gonna start, pull up in a fast car, yeah. And a fast start, make you want the fast part, yeah. I know you're feeling me. You know I'm feeling you. So what now we feel do, yeah.
Say you want trouble, we go hook. Say you hook, 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 say you hook.
Go on with it, go on with it.
Yo, easy, are you kidding me?
Force,
Yeah.
so we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus.
Yeah.
And gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast for the friends we take off every load. One time did sit down in a class and we bored. Then only said the road and me go on with the road. Third form, me say me try a thing. And you know it formed out to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic say I sing. Yeah, see me all diggy soon get the higher ring. Like hello brother, me say I had to shot ya. Saw your poster, spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If me the butter pass through your soul to can't ball in a life, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah, and gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast to the friends we take off every load. One time they sit down in a class and we board. Then all the
Junkin'
go
master.
on with it, go on with it, go on with it.
I'm drinking, I'm drinking, I'm drinking, I'm drinking. Alright. Oh Lord, 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 Lord. I'm drinking rum and Red Bull, and you see, let me heart full. Them want me get awful, like them on the dance, I'll get grappled. And I'm rum and Red Bull, and you see, let me heart full. Them want me get awful, like them on the dance, I'll get grappled.
Me start the day with a flask, cranberry with ice in a glass. As a light can't find me last. Buy me one a liquor, cause me and me one boss. Drink for junk that me endorse. After the flask, then we move to the quart. Tell the bartender the bill restart. Coconut to rub me use, wash off me heart. If you hide and drink, then you must get
I'm drinking rum and Red Bull, all get drowned.
You don't know what I'm thinking.
Tell the selector say put on up the song. I said the reggae music off it play, yeah. Dip in her bag and then she pull out a pound. My baby ever got the high grade. Spliff in her mouth. Gauge up the chalice and say shall we blaze, yeah. Like a minute she alone get it from. Chronic from Spanish Town. Don't think I'm feeling at this party. Everyone got so much things to say. Right now me just like one all the vibes and I watch nobody. Cause I'm only here to spend the night with you anyway. I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad vibes disappear. She kick off the high heels, no, she not pre nobody. Happy times and I got no sad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. Ooh. And I don't care, as long as you just go in there. You can take me anywhere, baby. She touch me softly, then we start squeeze her body. Everything I only nice times when I'm with my baby, yeah.
Bad night, cause I never me and you started. But me I go pull up on you shortly. Evidently me miss you badly. Cause presently me see you hardly. Stand up by my body and judge me. Oh, yeah, always, yeah. My God say you choose me. You know say you fit me like Susie. And you make my life coming like movie. Me no want to see your face screwed up with you. So make me forget this party. I'd rather be booed up with you, glued up to you. I got overdue love for you plus new stuff to do. I love you like kiss, I care, I love you.
Patrice again. Give me love again. Give me love again. Anything that you do for me, I'll do for you 10 times over. 10 times over, baby. And if you give love to